Hello dear colleagues, my name is Dr. Shkolnyi. I am a dermatologist and certified trainer for Yuma Medical, Chief Medical Officer and leading specialist in laser and injection treatments at the Yuma Medical Center. Today we will discuss how to work with excess tissue and puffiness in the lower third of the face. Main symptoms are puffiness in the jawline area and excess tissue in the chin area. The skin has signs of atrophy and ptosis, it folds easily and skin turgor is reduced. Using TwAc eyes, the production of nitric oxide and VEGF factor increases, promoting vasodilation and the formation of new vessels. This improves lymphatic drainage, reduces pressure on surrounding tissues, and decreases puffiness. TwAc eyes is used in amount of 2 ml at once, every 7 days, 1 ml per side. Average depth of injection is 4 mm in bolus technique. The total course of 4 procedures is recommended.